Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we'll once again run Alpha 1 iBot. We run on this amazing platform, Binbot Pro. You have the possibility to go to Binbot Pro by yourself without using my link, but if you do that, first of all you need to deposit $250, and second of all you will not get my robot. Only by using the link you see up there right now, you only need to deposit $100 compared to $250. Plus, by using my link, you get to use my amazing robot Alpha 1 iBot that you will now see very soon in action. Also below the video, you will find a promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit. Okay? So, also check out my Forex signal service. Cost only $16 a month. Link below the video for that also. But before we start the video, push the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all or anything on your heart, put it on the comments below the video. So let's start up this amazing robot. And just like that, $4,469 in matter of 7 minutes. So like I said in the start of the video, you can have this robot completely for free also. Link below the video. Make sure you use the promo code. So with that, have an amazing day.